Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It's November 20th. Market's kind of mixed to start the day. Corn up about 2.25 cents. Beans up a penny and 3/4. Wheat down about 2 cents. So a lot of focus on export sales this morning. They were expecting 500,000 to 700,000 tons of corn, and we ended up getting 908.7. So better than expectations there. Gave corn a little bit of a boost here as it ended the overnight session, so we'll see what the day session takes. But beans, they wanted 700,000 to 1 million metric tons, and came out at 483. So certainly negative. We were about 6 to 7 cents higher. As soon as these numbers had released, they backed it down. Still staying a little bit higher. I think meal might be a primary focus. We did have good sales for meal that were thrown out here this morning. So wheat, it was neutral for wheat. Not a lot of movement there, kind of following through with the lower move we had seen yesterday for wheat. But some of the trade is going to focus on these technical levels now that we're at. Corn right near the 100-day moving average. Can we hold that? Beans, we're near those lows that we had the last few weeks. Are we going to be able to use that as support and maybe see some higher prices yet? But if we take these levels out, probably going to see some more escalation to the downside. We know we've seen quite the rally, and we could end up taking some of that back as well. Also, trade's going to be focusing on December options that are going off the board tomorrow. So where are we going to be for that? How are we going to adjust? So certainly something that needs to be watched as well. But options going off the board here tomorrow. Looking at livestock, box beef for cattle came in a little bit better, 50 cents higher in choice, 79 cents higher in select. There's no bids out there yet. As far as cash, there are some offers right now at 173 to 175. Last week, we had an average price of 171. So it seems like trade is waiting to see, or waiting for tomorrow afternoon to see what the cattle on feed report looks like, and how will that end up as well. So we're also hearing that packers are starting to complain a little bit more about their margins, and starting to see them cutting back here as far as slaughter levels as well. So we'll see where that all ends up. But as far as hogs, cutout values down 152. Probably going to see a little bit of a lower start here as far as hogs. We've seen a nice rally, but can we hold these levels right now? Wouldn't be surprised maybe to see us pull things back a little bit as well. Stock market down 80 points right now. Gold down $3. Silver down about 14 cents. And we've got the dollar breaking back a little bit this morning, down 7 here at this time. Give us a call if you guys have any questions. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day today. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.